Here we are on September 1st, 2012, and here we have Oliver, who we are calling Ollie for short. I'm going to zoom in on his little face. He's eating a greenie. He loved it. We put it in his crate for him to try and encourage him to go in. Notice his very long tail. It kind of looks like a rat tail. Here's Algie, exhausted. Had a very long 2 days. Notice the paper? Yep. Here's Ollie again. Here's more paper. And then we'll go over here and yet more paper. Ollie has pee-peed twice on the carpet, but he did poop once on the paper, so that was success. He also has been humping my leg. You might get to see it in action here. I've been telling him no, so it looks like he's got to go again. He already took a poo. But we are very thrilled to have little Ollie. Very excited. And oh, he looks like he's gonna poo. Ollie! Oliver! Okay, the paper is now becoming a toy. Rapidly. Okay, here we have the Iggy circle, apparently. Ollie! Ollie! Oliver!
We probably shouldn't let him run around.
Yeah. Oliver?
You can't hear him. Okay, but he needs to stop.
Okay. Over and out.